Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. At home, we have pizza night at least once a month. It can be Hawaiian ham bacon pizza, great, meat lovers pizza, sombrero, pepperoni pizza, and many others, as well as this one, shrimp pizza. It's another flavorful pie to add to your folder. Easy to make. This is a delicious recipe to enjoy all year round, especially on pizza night. So let's get cooking. First, we have to make a bechamel sauce. I won't show you how because there's a full episode on it, but I will highlight a few changes. So, after cooking the roux for a few minutes, we'll pour in some room temperature milk. The amount we need is only 1.5 cups, not more than that, okay? Of course, we'll whisk everything together. The next thing I'll be pointing out is the seasonings. We'll crack some freshly ground black pepper instead of using white, and then add fresh chopped dill. We're leaving out the salt and nutmeg. They don't belong in this recipe. Just like a regular bechamel sauce, we'll continue whisking for 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens. And here's the consistency we're looking for. Thick, all right? Now, let's assemble the pizza. After the sauce has cooled off, we'll evenly spoon the bechamel on 2 pizza doughs, leaving about 1 inch around the edges. You can buy it pre-made or make it from scratch. I'm using my easy, cheesy herb pizza dough recipe, but Mediterranean or rustic Italian are other delicious options. What comes next is the veggies. We'll add the diced red onions, followed by a mix of bell peppers. Of course, we'll try to distribute them evenly. We'll now add 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese per pizza and keep the remaining 2 cups for later. We'll transfer the pizza to a 500-degree preheated oven and bake for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make the shrimp mixture. In a skillet over medium heat, we'll add butter as well as olive oil. When it starts sizzling, we'll add our shrimp that we've halved, some pressed garlic, and also a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll quickly saute the ingredients for only 1 minute. They won't be all evenly pink, but don't worry, they'll cook further in the oven. We'll remove from the heat, transfer them to a bowl, and set aside. When the 8 minutes is up, we'll take the pizza out of the oven and evenly put the shrimp on top using tongs so any liquid stays behind, preventing the pie from getting wet. Next, we'll grate some lemon zest over the shrimp, which will wrap up the flavors nicely. Then we'll add 1 cup of the remaining mozzarella cheese per pizza, and for the finishing touch, we'll sprinkle on either hot paprika or smoked paprika. Your choice. We'll now transfer the pizza back to the oven and bake for 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted. We'll carefully remove from the heat and let the pizza rest for 5 minutes before adding some fresh chopped parsley on top. And my friends, this is our shrimp pizza. Colorful and delicious, this original recipe is a delight. The combination of tasty ingredients and, of course, shrimp will bring a new level of yumminess to pizza night. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!